So waves can be longitudinal as well as
Transverse.
very good transverse. Can you name any longitudinal wave and any this transverse wave?
Uh, Sound is longitudinal and light is transverse.
Yes, sound is longitudinal and light is transverse wave. And
Um, Ma'am, that's it.
means waves is telling you the nature of the particle. If I say okay, wave nature, particle nature, they all are describing that how a particle moves from one medium to another, and in what type of wave it can move. Okay, so now let's come on to this part, that is wave. So waves are, they can be transverse, they can be longitudinal, and they are traveling from one medium to another medium. Okay, so they can be transverse, they can be longitudinal, but there are certain properties in a wave that you need to understand. But before that, I'll just let you know one thing, that wave is not wave is always a continuous type of motion. Okay, Sanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Wave is a continuous motion. It is moving from one position to another position and telling you this the property of each type. Means if I tell you about sound, if I tell you about light, so that all the things are talking about the wave. So wave is basically transferring the energy. Okay, wave
Yes,
is
ma'am.
what? It is transferring the energy, and transferring the energy from where to where?
Uh, I'm from the source to the I'm from the source of light to where we can to the image.
To the image. So when I talk about the wave, I specifically talk about the energy transfer. So wave is always involved with the transfer of energy. This transfer of energy is required by, means for sound waves. Okay. So wave and not the air molecules, they itself they travel from object floating on water. They provide the evidence that waves only transfer the energy and not matter. It is possible to see the objects. Okay, so wave and not the water, the matter itself that travels. So it is only the wave. Okay, so it is only the wave that travels and not the particles. Clear?
Ma'am, but what if it's longitudinal? Ma'am, it needs a medium, so
It's a medium. I'm not saying that a wave doesn't require a medium. I'm never say, but it is traveling. Okay, so it is traveling means the air molecules, all the water molecules, they are providing as a medium, but they are not itself a wave. Getting my point?
yes, ma'am.
See, when a stagnant water is there, okay, it is not moving. But whenever you throw something to this, yeah, whenever you apply some, then the changes occur, na? So it is not the water that is causing the waves, it is you that cause the waves.
Yes, ma'am.
One more thing, waves are always described as oscillations or vibrations about a fixed point. So write down this point, that waves are described as oscillations or vibrations along a fixed point. For example, for example, ripples cause ripples cause particles to move, no, particles to oscillate up and down, and sound waves Sound wave cause particles of air to vibrate back and forth. Sound wave cause particles of air to vibrate back and forth. Now you understood?
Uh,
One is causing the particles of the wave to move up and down, and another one is causing back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Okay, so
Ma'am,
there is
so
a
are they different types of waves or are they the same wave?
huh. There could the wave. See, the wave could be a sound wave. Okay, or it can be light wave. So it depends. It depends that in what medium, yeah, what type of wave, but they all will move in the form of wave only. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. So now let's talk about. I'm showing you a diagram. Okay, and in that diagram, you will show me that how the wave is. You will write down the answer for me. Can you see this question?
Yes, ma'am.
This question.
Ma'am, where's the question? Ma'am, I can't see the question properly.
Now,
Yes, ma'am. Now I'm done. Ma'am, I'm done.
I'll show you the answer.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, I wrote that This is because the rubber duck stays on the same place, moving back and forth along with the particles. Ma'am, is it the same as this?
The
This is because the rubber duck stays on the same place, moving back and forth along with the particles.
yes, yes. But the manner in which you have to write it down is this one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I just wrote it briefly.
Okay, no issues. Now let's come out the wave motion. Okay, wave motion, it is like how the wave, so there can be vibration in the rope, it can be like this, or vibration in the string, it can be like transverse. So it can wave, so wave motion is there, and the properties of wave in the ripple tank is they include frequency, wavelength, amplitude, and wave speed. Clear?
Ma'am, I have a
Yes.
question. Ma'am, how
Yeah.
can we see the frequency in a longitudinal wave?
You can see. I'll tell you. When I'll start with these now, I'll tell you. Okay. So now is there another tab is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the wave. Okay, firstly understand what the terms mean to say. That there is a amplitude. Okay, so this is the amplitude, the maximum displacement from the equilibrium position. This is the equilibrium position. This is the equilibrium position. So the maximum displacement from it is known as amplitude. Okay, distance between two subsequent crest or trough is known as the wavelength. Okay, amplitude is the maximum distance from the equilibrium position, and time between the time between two subsequent crest and two subsequent trough is known as period. So the at the base you will have the definitions. First write down all these definitions. If you get doubt in any of these, then just let me know.
Um, Ma'am, I'm doing this as like an exam revision, so
You are not writing it down, Asa.
no, ma'am.
No issues. No, write it down. Only
Because like my exam is in 2 more days, so for
okay,
physics.
okay, okay, okay.
So I'm
So this
just doing
chapter is
this
coming.
as revision. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this thing is clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what you answered that frequency, this wave is what?
Ma'am, transverse.
What is